Hundreds turn out in Britain for the funeral service of Charlie and Gayle Anderson.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Hundreds of mourners attended the funeral of the two British Jamaicans who were murdered in Jamaica, to which they had retired earlier this year. Alfred Anderson, 75 years old, otherwise called Charlie, and his wife, 71-year-old Florence, otherwise called Gayle, both of Mount Pleasant in Portland, Jamaica, and Gorton, Manchester, England, were found dead in June at the home they had retired to. Their funeral took place at Gorton Monastery in Britain on Friday, August 17. While police investigation continue in Jamaica, no one has so far been charged with the killing of the two retirees. The Andersons had been married for 55 years. They were laid to rest at the Gorton Cemetery. On June 22nd of this year, the quiet Mount Pleasant community in the Oak Bay area of Portland, Jamaica, was greeted with the disaster of the partially burnt bodies of the Andersons, with their throats slashed and their home also partially burnt in the community. A post-mortem report confirmed that they had also been shot. The deceased were cited as good, kind and hard-working community members who had returned home for good after spending most of their lives in Britain. They were lauded at the funeral service for their kind human and community spirit, which made them standouts in the community in which they were killed. An accused person is presently before the courts in Jamaica on charges of illegally taking approximately $8 million from the Andersons' bank accounts shortly before the couple retired to Jamaica, which the couple reportedly discovered and were pursuing at the time of their murder. However, there has so far been no success in respect of any prosecution relative to the killings.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.